ladies and gentlemen, once again welcome back to our YouTube channel Big City Crypto. So guys, basically in this video we're going to talk about another awesome project. It's called Value FI. Basically it's a very unique project in 2025. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the review. Before starting the review, see small disclaimer: this is not an investment advisor, I'm not a financial advisor, so make sure to do your own research before any investment. I'm not responsible for any profit and losses. So first of all, you can see I'm here on the website homepage. Protocol predictions, wallet, token economics, white paper, and join pre-sale. First of all, you can see where artificial intelligence fuels financial freedom, and you can see solution that brings innovation of the trading and gamify with the DeFi universe. Launch the app, join pre-sale, and you can see the Polygon, Epic Scan, and base chain. And you can see Value FI products. First of all, you can see tax aggregation protocol, liquidity AI aggregation from the multiple DEX ensure that are best swap rates. AI trading boards, you can see their AI trading boards, Value FI wallet and predictions, securing the financial freedom, optimize your trading effectiveness across network DEX between various networks. And you can see this is official Value FI and Ethereum Polygon base chain, and you can see a decentralized security finance, and you can see their Value FI tokens, a token that factorized in the network of evaluation. Learn more, and you can see their roadmap. First of all, you can see Core Team Foundation, brand creation, aggregation protocol, pre-sale, and you can see CX launcher, community expense, protection 1, trading boards V1. Be a part of the fastest growing communication in the world. You can see their Telegram, their YouTube at X account is also right here. It's been Twitter account. So first of all, you can see their aggregation protocol here. You can see Value FI aggregation protocol. The protocol leverage liquidity from the diverse exchanges, the capability to distribute a single trade transaction. How it works: the protocol offers aggregation, and you can see their integrated protocols, enhanced liquidity, and you can see improved liquidity, and you can see their production is also right here. You can see the productions, and first of all, you can see their production is also right here, and you can see wallet, token economics. If I click on the wallet section, you need to just click on wallet, and you can see the wallet is also provided here. You can see their token economics, join pre-sale, the most powerful and easy to use, and this is very easy to use by their wallet, multi-chain, enhanced connectivity, instant transaction signing, advanced transaction management. So you can see their token economics. Simply click on the token economics, and you can see Value FI token, a token that factorizes in the network evaluation. You can see their current price 0.085, calculating supply coming soon, total supply 400 million, total holder is 4,000 plus. You can see the token economics, total token distribution 400 million, ecosystem 11.25%, marketing 10%, public sale 35.75%, pre-sale 37.50%, devs 3.5%, advisor 2%. So you can see their white paper is also mentioned here. So I just click on the white paper section, and you can see the white paper. First of all, you can see the introduction. Value FI is a transaction sensibility innovation with a decentralized finance, and you can see their introduction. Value FI protocol developed following network Binance Merchant, Ethereum Mainnet, Base, Arbitrum, and Polygon. Token economics, where I already told. Token distribution, you can see each and everything mentioned here. What is wallet Value FI, and you can see each and everything right here. Mobile wallet, and you can see Game FI section also right here. So first of all, you can see Value FI full strategic. What is Value FI? Is the next generation DeFi core features: DeFi AI, DEX aggregator, cross-chain compatibility, AI automation, mission, and words. Competitive difference, I added all the links in my video description. Strategic milestone and delay, and you can see Bing X listing announcement, media coverage, and you can see benefit advisor, roadmap, what next, and you can see. So you can also check it out there. Twitter account is also mentioned here. 78 point almost 80k followers are on their Twitter account. You need to just click on follow, and your account will be successfully followed. And you can see the time is already right thing and delay, and the news, and you can see the latest news right here. And you can see power is again at andy.com. So you can see each and everything right here. Latest review news about here. Read more. If I click on read more, and you can read more things. So this is Value FI official Telegram channel, Telegram community, and simply you need to click on Telegram channel. I just click on reload option, and then you can see. So guys, this is the official Telegram channel. They have a 3,700 subscribers. Click on view in Telegram and open in web. You can easily. This is the official Instagram, Twitter account, and you can see pre-sale Value FI. So just take you need to. This is the official the app section. Click on connect option. After clicking the connect, you can connect wallet, connect Phantom, MetaMask, and it's depend on you. Then you need to connect your wallet here. After connecting the wallet, you will be your account will be successfully connected. Then you need to enter your password here. After adding the password, and then click on select token option, then Ethereum, and I click on Ethereum, then select the token, and then you need to just enter here connect wallet, enter your amount, how much you want to buy, then click on you will receive, then click on connect wallet, then click on swap, and then just confirm it. Your token will be successfully bought and added to your wallet. So it's very easy method. I already told the price here, and you can also see the where is the price, where is the pre-sale. This is the official pre-sale valuefy.com, and you can see the pre-sale section is also right here. Then you need to click on join pre-sale. After clicking the join pre-sale, and you can easily join the pre-sale sections, and you can see this is official pre-sale, and you need to just go and join their pre-sale section. So many more things is coming in the future, and if you want to invest in this project, this is very good project. So I hope you understand each and everything. If you have any question, you can do a comment on our video. We will definitely reply. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself.